welcome to Puzzle Master. This is the Puzzle Guy, and in this video I will show you how to solve Palace puzzle. This puzzle was designed by Asanori Yamamoto and made by Pelikan in Czech Republic with absolutely fantastic quality. The Palace puzzle was made of two different types of wood. Venge was used to make inner pieces and the pink oak for the frame. Difficulty level of the Palace puzzle is 8 out of 10 on a Puzzle Master's difficulty scale that runs from 5 to 10, and the object of the puzzle is to fit all three parts inside the frame in such a way that both openings will be covered and there will be no visible gaps. That means that you have to figure out the way how to fit all three oddly shaped parts inside the frame. But to do that, first of all, you have to figure out the way how these parts will be inside, since there are a lot of possible assemblies, but only one will be possible to fit inside the frame. If you like the Palace puzzle and you want to buy it, go to puzzlemaster.ca, and if you want to see the solution of this puzzle, keep watching the video. And now I will show you how to solve the Palace puzzle. What usually I do when I solve this type of puzzle from Asanori Yamamoto. I'm trying to assemble the 3x3x3 shape outside the frame. And to solve this puzzle, what we have to do is to grab this piece and this part and put them together like this, and add the third piece on top like so. And if you take a closer look, you will find that with this part we will be able to cover this opening, and with this side we will cover the back side of the frame and cover the second opening, and that will be the solution. But now we have to figure out the way how to put all parts inside, and we will do it following way. Grab this piece, put it inside, stick it out of the second opening on the back and put it all the way down. Now grab two other parts, put this piece right here on the left, and then grab this piece and put it inside as well, like this, and all the way in. Next step is very important. You have to move this piece one step up and move this piece one step to the front. The next step will be with the third piece that sticks out from the back. Move it all the way out or up. Now move the bottom piece all the way inside the frame, and this piece will go down. The next step will be to move this sticking out from the back piece all the way to the front. Now grab this piece, move it one step up and move this piece inside, and the puzzle is solved. As you can see, both openings are covered and we don't see any gaps. And now to complete the solution we have to take it apart, since when puzzle comes disassembled, that means that you have to figure out the way how to put all parts inside and then figure out the way how to remove them. So first step will be to grab this piece and move it one step out of the frame and move this piece down. The next step will be to move the third piece all the way to the back. Now put this piece up, and this piece will move one step to the front. Now the third piece will fall down all the way. Now push this piece inside. This piece will go down. You can grab this piece, move it up to the front and remove from the frame, and you can easily remove the rest of the parts. That's how the Palace puzzle is solved both ways. If you like Palace puzzle and you want to try some other great puzzles designed by Asanori Yamamoto or made by Pelikan, go to puzzlemaster.ca. See you next time.